What's the meaning of brushback? Brushback. Brushback.
Brushback. Brushback. The term brushback typically refers to a strategy used in sports, particularly baseball, where the pitcher throws a pitch high and inside near the batter's head in order to intimidate or send a message. This can result in several outcomes, such as the batter feeling threatened and becoming more cautious at the plate, or potentially leading to a physical altercation if the batter or their team takes offense to the tactic. The purpose of the brushback pitch is to disrupt the batter's rhythm and force them to make a quick decision, often resulting in a swing and miss or an out. Overall, it is a controversial tactic that has been the subject of much debate in the world of sports.